And probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2023 CR 1868, State of Texas versus Luis Gomez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Longacre for Mr. Gomez.
And are you Mr. Gomez? Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right, everyone, we're on the record. Please don't talk behind the court reporter. Mr. Gomez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family and household.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family household as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is anywhere from 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This courtroom starts off calm, but if you watch closely, the judge is already probing for honesty. Everything here matters, every signature, every yes ma'am, because one lie later can destroy an entire plea deal. And sadly, that's exactly what we're about to see.
Injury, family household. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with the affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Judge,
Yes.
I was mistaken. I thought that applied if it were a felony conviction.
No.
It applies if there's an affirmative finding.
Yes.
Yes, we're okay with that.
All right, and did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand?
Judge, at this moment, Mr. Gomez is the primary parent. He has custody by way of CPS, sole custody of all three children.
Well, if somebody files orders against him,
Orders,
if there are custody orders and custody contested, this is coming up. Now, I'm just telling you what the rules are, but whatever people do on the civil side, that's what they do on the civil side. But I'm letting you know, with an affirmative finding of family violence, if there is a custody hearing, all things equal, a person with an affirmative finding of family violence is not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent.
but he could be granted joint custody. Is that correct?
Oh, I'm not the civil attorney or the civil judge. I'm just saying what the rules are and what are the collateral consequences of this.
I understand what you're saying. I get it. She's saying that if later on, if there's a custody battle between you and Crystal.
Oh, but it's not an issue with me having them now, right?
No,
Oh, okay.
if there later is.
Understood.
Okay, yes, we understand that.
Anyone is brought to prosecution and we have been unsuccessful in contacting.
This moment hit hard. You can feel Gomez slowly realizing the real-world impact of family violence finding. Not just fines or probation, but the possibility of losing custody of his own kids. The judge isn't being harsh here. She's warning him of consequences that follow people for years. And you can see the fear forming on his face.
All right. So, Mr. Gomez, why is she calling you a crackhead? Why is she calling you a crackhead? That's what it says in the police report. It says that she woke you up to help her get children for the children's, to take them to a birthday party. You all began to argue and she called you a crackhead.
I don't know her side of the story completely. We weren't together. She actually came to my residence. I never let her in my place. And
All right, let me ask you this. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you're going to get drug tested today.
I mean, I do smoke.
This part shocked me. When a judge bluntly asks, "Why is she calling you a crackhead?" That's not a joke. That's a judge trying to break through the excuses and get to the truth. And Gomez's answer doesn't reassure anyone.
Marijuana.
All right, we're gonna drug test you today. Is that all it's gonna be positive for marijuana?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna
again,
do a drug test today, then I'm gonna come back with my sentence.
yes, ma'am.
All right, so council, we're gonna have him drug tested today, then I'll make a ruling.
So you'd like me to stay present, Judge?
Yes, it shouldn't take that long.
You give me an estimate, I just have another place to be.
How long will it take? You ready to use to go now?
Yes.
Oh, he's ready to go now, so it'll be a few minutes.
Fair enough, Judge.
All
Thank
right.
you, Your Honor.
The second he admits to marijuana use, the judge immediately orders a drug test. This is a turning point. It's like the entire courtroom is holding its breath, waiting to see whether he's being honest. Spoiler, he isn't.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware of your client's results?
Yes, believe so.
All right, are you ready to go back on the record on Mr. Gomez?
We are, Judge. Mr. Gomez? I say I'm aware of what he relayed to me, and what he relayed to me is this. He's positive for marijuana, but he's positive for a benzo, probably a Xanax his dad gave him a couple weeks ago. He's positive for a Vicodin also, which his dad gave him for back pain a couple weeks ago.
Oh, see, that's still no excuse because he was dishonest with the court. And I don't know why somebody is allowing him to have children and he's using drugs, but I'm not a civil court. I can only do what I can do. All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 1868, State of Texas versus Luis Gomez. All right, state Mr. Gomez is positive for opioids, benzos, and marijuana. So do y'all wish to continue with this plea?
Your Honor, at this
We-
time, yes.
We do, pending the TAP evaluation, yes, we do, Judge.
And here it is. The test results completely blow up his credibility. Marijuana, benzos, Vicodin. But the biggest problem isn't even the drugs, it's the dishonesty. Judges can work with people who struggle, but they can't work with people who lie. Gomez might not realize it yet, but this just changed everything.
All right. Anything you wish to say to the court?
Um,
You want to explain yourself?
I was just,
Being dishonest,
to you, yes, ma'am. I did not realize,
that it would come out positive.
know that I had, well, I mean, I did the Vicodin. I do know that that's what I took because I was in pain and I asked my father for
So
meds.
again, we're back to the point that you were dishonest to the court. I don't know why you're wasting up probation's UA. Doing those UAs cost money. They're not free. I should start making people pay for the UA when you're dishonest with the court.
Again, I didn't, it was a couple weeks ago. I didn't, I mean, it's not.
Again, you didn't think it was
I-
gonna
I
come out
don't-
positive.
I don't take them on the regular is what I'm trying to get to. I mean, I should have said, I took that a couple weeks ago and included it in when you asked me about the marijuana. I didn't, that's my fault. And
Well, I mean, you were just dishonest. You gotta own it.
yes, ma'am, I mean, there's no other way around it. And I was dishonest.
All right, the court is gonna sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication.
This part made me feel bad for him because he finally admits he lied, but the damage is done. The judge sees a father using unprescribed pills, lying in court, and still having custody of 3 kids. You can hear the frustration in her voice.
There's an affirmative finding of family violence. The BIPP program. No contact with Crystal Castaneda.
Excuse me, Your Honor, do you mean no harmful or injurious?
No contact.
How then can they exchange children for this case?
Well,
Through a third party.
We've been managing.
Yeah, through a third party.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm gonna want the UA hotline. If you have a back problem or something else that's going on, you can't be taking other people's
Yes, ma'am,
medications.
I am aware.
There's no marijuana use in this court.
Yes, ma'am.
It is still illegal in Texas. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So we're going to do the UA hotline. I'm going to want him tested for levels. He's going to be tested weekly. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
Did you want field visit?
Yes, let's do field visits once per month, and that's until he's clean.
And do you want community service hours?
Yes, we are going to do 80 hours of community service restitution. And I'm going to ask for parenting classes. And once he completes the parenting classes, and that'll be with Triple P, once he completes that, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
Your Honor, sorry, didn't mean to interrupt. I am currently enrolled in, I was in DIP classes. They since moved me. I'm not too sure on the name. My classes start today, 6 to 8.
All right, you'll have to confer with probation so they'll know what those classes are.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then I will make a decision on whether or not they'll be acceptable.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
The sentencing is heavy. No contact order, parenting classes, weekly drug tests, no jobs around minors, community service, 2 years deferred. The judge isn't trying to punish him. She's trying to stop him before he loses everything, his freedom, his kids, and maybe even his life. When she says, in this court, it's best to be honest with me. It's not just advice. It's a warning for every defendant who walks in here.